everyone, it's Stephanie here, and welcome to the brand new review for the January 2021 card kit. Our newest card kit is called Friendship, and it features this great 6x8" stamp set called What Friendship Means. This stamp set has this really great banner stamp, and it has a bunch of different friend-themed sentiments that are designed to work within that banner. You can use the friendship by itself and add the secondary sentiments that are included, or you can use the larger sentiments on the right-hand side of the stamp set, which will stamp the large word within the banner and then the secondary sentiments both above and below the banner. This kit also includes a coordinating die that coordinates with the What Friendship Means stamp set. This die is designed to die cut that banner shape and leave a small white border around the outside edge. This will allow you to die cut multiple banners and to be able to layer them over other designs on your cards. Next up, we have boxed in banners. Each of the two included dies in this set results in 3 pieces, the center piece and 2 tail ends. One die cuts solid elements while the other cuts the outline, allowing you to use each alone or both layered for even more contrast. The kit exclusive this month is the Friendship stamp set. This is a 3x4" stamp set that features some additional secondary sentiments that will work with the What Friendship Means stamp set, as well as a larger version of the friendship word. You'll be able to mix and match all of the sentiments between these two sets for a variety of different cards. Friend and Friendship features 2 variations to recognize some of your most cherished relationships. You'll love experimenting with all the ways you can integrate this duo into your cards and tags, as well as mixing and matching the sentiments that are die cut with stamp sentiments from the stamp set. The newest Free with 60 option is the Polka Dot Pops Dynamics. Take your pick from 3 different Free with 60 options with a qualifying order of $60 after discounts and before taxes and shipping. Inspired by the 2021 Pantone Color of the Year, the Friendship Card Kit cardstock options include 5 sheets of smooth white and feature 2 brand new MFT colors. Say hello to Butterscotch and Eiffel Tower. This rich yellow and warm neutral pair together, resulting in a modern feel that's ideal for your modern friendships. By purchasing the kit, you're getting advanced access to add these gorgeous colors to your stash. So let's go ahead and take one more quick look at everything you're going to receive in this month's kit. You're going to receive the Smooth White, Butterscotch, and Eiffel Tower cardstock, the What Friendship Means stamp set and coordinating dynamics. We also have the Boxed In Banners dynamics, which features 2 different banner options that die cut both the center and the fishtail portion separately. Then we have the Friendship exclusive stamp set that's only available in this month's kit. This is a 3x4" stamp set that coordinates with all of the other elements in this month's kit. And then we also have the Friend and Friendship dynamics, which features both the word friend and friendship that can be die cut to mix and match with all of your stamp sentiments. And let's not forget the newest Free with 60 option that we'll be releasing at the same time as this month's card kit that will add a fun and graphic look to your card designs. Now just wait, because we're not done yet. In addition to everything that you receive in the Friendship card kit, we also have some additional items that are available separately for purchase that coordinate with the elements in the kit. First up, we have this generally sized trio of fishtail flags. They will quickly become a favorite option for grounding sentiments or images, or simply providing a bit of pizzazz to your design as an accent element or a punch of color. Fishtail Foundations includes a simple fishtail design in 2 widths, perfect for showcasing stamp sentiments or providing color and dimension when layered. And we also have a new red rubber background stamp that is also available separately for purchase. The Best Friend background features a neat block of text that is perfect for adding subtle, theme-appropriate pattern to a variety of projects with a variety of techniques. Create contrast with vibrant color, a restrained tone-on-tone look, or highlight a specific phrase that genuinely captures your relationship to show the care you put into your thoughtful design. All of these products are going to coordinate beautifully, so you'll be able to mix and match what items you'd like to include on your friend-themed card designs. Thank you so much for joining me for the brand new review of the Friendship Card Kit. This kit will be available at My Favorite Things on January 26th at 10 a.m. Eastern. We can't wait to see what you create with all of the items in this month's kit. As always, I appreciate you being here, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks so much for watching.